So today let us see how we can do a loft. Also we'll try to explore the offset from the sketch commands. So start a new part and then go to sketch, open a new sketch from the top plane. So we're going to see how we can do a loft. What's a loft? A loft is like two different sketches connected without any chamfer or anything. Two sketches on different planes. So how do we do that? So just let me draw a 20 by 20 rectangle here. Make it 20 by 20. I'm doing from the top plane. And then say OK. So I'm not going to boss this. What I'm going to do, I exit the sketch, but then I want to make another sketch on top of this on a different plane. So go to features and there is something called reference. You know already reference. So you just click on the reference. Let me make Control 7 to see isometric. Before you click the reference and choose the plane, you must choose the top plane here so that the reference will be automatically connected to the top plane. I choose the top plane and then I click on reference. I click plane. So it will automatically draw a plane that is offset from the top plane here. So now I need to give here the specification how much I can give, or I can just even pull using this arrow. Okay, let me just put here 10. So that means from this plane in 10 millimeter, there's another plane on top. But I will make it to be 20 and say OK. Now I'm going to draw another sketch here. Select this plane and then just say new sketch. So automatically you will be asked to draw the sketch here. Okay, now you can take the rectangle command and make it, or instead of using that one, you can use the offset command here. Click on offset and then you click on this. When I click on that rectangle, automatically you see that there's another rectangle drawn. But that rectangle is offset. That means it is offset from the original rectangle, but is on the other direction. I need to reverse it. I reverse it and I say here 5 milli. So which means from this rectangle, from the original rectangle, there's a 5 milli offset. There's a 5 milli offset here. So since it is already offset from the original, from that rectangle, it is constrained. I exit the sketch. I can see that I have two rectangles here, two squares, one on 120 by 20, another 10 by 10, and the distance between them is like 20. Now here there's a command called lofted boss. I go click on that loft and it asks me to select the sketch. So I click this one and this one. Okay, here just go delete the original sketch and then choose this and then say this one and this one. So you see here you have to choose the same edge. So you have a boss. This is how you create a boss. Also I can create a twisted boss. Like if I shift this green dot, you see I can make a twisted loft, or I just make a normal loft like this and say OK, and then that's it. So now this plane is still sitting here. I can just click on this plane and say hide this plane. Control 7 to see it. Now you see I have a loft. This is called as a loft. When I connect two sketches on different planes, that can be done using the loft feature. Now let me just make it Control 7 and I will just give it a color. So this is how you create a loft. Thank you.